In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Jira notifications directly on Slack. Whether you're managing projects or keeping up with your team's progress, integrating Jira with Slack can enhance your workflow by ensuring you never miss important updates. So, let's dive into the process, which will only take about 5 minutes. First, you're going to want to head over to the Slack website. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in slack.com. This will take you to the main page of Slack, which is your hub for conversations, integrations, and apps. Once on the Slack website, you'll see an option to sign in. Here, you'll want to click on Sign in with Google. This option is straightforward and efficient, especially if you're already signed into your Google account. This streamlines the login process, eliminating the need to remember yet another password. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. It's a familiar interface that serves as the control center for your communications and integrations. From the dashboard, look around for the Add Apps option. This is often located in the sidebar, typically on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Add Apps. This will open a new window or tab where you can browse or search for different apps available on Slack. Here, you're searching for the Jira Cloud. Finding the Jira Cloud integration is crucial since it acts as the bridge between your Jira notifications and Slack. Once you've located Jira Cloud, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to an installation page where you can proceed by clicking on the Install button. The installation process is designed to be straightforward, with prompts that guide you through each step. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully. After installation, the final step is to click on Add to Slack. This action officially integrates Jira with your Slack workspace. With this connection established, you'll start receiving Jira notifications directly on Slack, which supports seamless and efficient collaboration within your team. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Jira to Slack. And now you're set to receive all your project updates without missing a beat. This integration not only saves time but also enhances productivity by centralizing communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process clear and stress-free. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy collaborating.